Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have rice here?
Huh?
Rice, sacks of rice?
No, it's only ivory, 5 kilos.
5 kilos?
And we have 10 kilos ivory.
Okay, just I want to buy 5 kilos.
Five.
Yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
it's only one.
How much?
320.
Just give me one. That's 5 kilos.
Oh.
Okay.
Ah,
Thank you.
180.
By the way, ma'am, I want to go to restaurante. Can you please tell me where? Nearest restaurante here.
And Hayalay.
Famous restaurante.
Kulon Street.
Kulon.
SM.
Ala yan.
SM.
CMC side. Yan yan.
SMC side.
So how can I go there?
You ride it. Do you have a motor?
Yeah, I have motorcycle there.
Oh. And
And crossing is Alpi.
Crossing.
Turn.
oh,
So I can turn back there.
oh yeah.
Pagka
Okay.
mga restaurant nga. Dulo-dulo eh.
In Hayalay. Lechon baboy.
Mayroon Paris dyan dahil.
I want delicious food.
Oh,
Delicious.
Laka sa mga buffet.
Yeah, like pollo frito por pero suave por dentro.
buffet.
Yeah.
You want to eat buffet?
I want chicken or lechon.
Alitson.
You go there. In Lechon Hayalay.
Okay. Unsay pangalan sa lechonan, ma'am?
Kamonte kan saya. Kamonte kan saya. Yung kawan.
Ga-vlog na bitaw ko. Ma'am, ga-vlog.
Yung kawan yung may.
Unsa ni ngan sa kuander unsa ngan sa store sa kutindahan ba?
Just story po tayo ito.
Wala ra. O sa gusto mo na yung palit diri hari lang mo diri sa kuan. Ay alay mas no. Dagang guys lag tinda Ni pahit ra ko bugas mamay. Salamat.
Kawan niya.